Shon. I'm the CEO of Milk and Honey. We are a collection of luxury spas and salons. We also manufacture, create, design bath, body, and skincare products that we manufacture and sell online. My biggest challenge technologically is getting data and doing cool things with it. Whenever anyone goes to the spa or salon, they'll get an email receipt that also asks them to fill out a customer survey. We created a Zap that took that SurveyMonkey data, and if there was a score that was in a certain range, we would immediately send a notification to that location manager, have them reach out, see the data that was in that survey, and take action on that. One of my favorite Zaps is when someone purchases from our e-commerce store for the first time, we put a delay on that and then for a couple of weeks, and then we send them a thank you postcard through Lob. This is really next level, that we can create this postcard, this customized postcard for a client without any manual interventions. I would say that Zapier does two really important things for us. Allows us to save money. We would probably have to have some sort of developer on staff. So we're probably at least 6 figures ahead every year by using Zapier. It's been amazingly helpful just because for such a long time, I really was not just the IT person, but also the data person within the company. Spend a lot more time doing analysis instead of doing work that leads up to doing analysis, and be able to kind of look forward into our future strategy and goals and make sure that we're staying on track there.